Hello, little explorers. Today, we are visiting the farm to meet a very special animal, the hen. Let's go. Hens are amazing birds that live all over the world. They are covered in soft feathers, have a pointy beak, and strong little legs. Hens can't fly very high, but they can flap their wings and jump short distances. And guess what? Hens love to peck around the ground. They're always looking for yummy treats like seeds, bugs, and little plants. Let's look at what makes hens so special. Feathers keep them warm and cozy. Beak helps them eat and explore. Claws perfect for scratching the ground to find food. Comb and wattle, the red parts on their head and under their beak. They help hens stay cool. A hen's day is full of fun. They wake up early, cluck around with their friends, peck for food, and take cozy dust baths to stay clean, and when the sun sets, they return to their coop to rest. Thank you for visiting the farm with me today. See you next time, little explorers.